and all the vice principals, HODs for helping to organize this aptitude skills competitive exam guidance webinar. Aptitude is inborn potential to do certain kind of work, whether developed or undeveloped. Outstanding aptitude considered as talent. For many competitive exams, the preparation of aptitude skill is important. Here with us, our resource person, Dr. J. Kannan, who is the Assistant Professor and Research Supervisor for the subject Mathematics in the college, Ayyanadar Janaki Ammal College, Sivakasi, Tamil Nadu. He completed his PhD in 2018 from National College. He is the life member of Ramanujan Mathematics Society and INSC. And he is also a Board of Studies member of the Ayyanadar Janaki Ammal College. He received some awards for his talent, that is Young Research Award from INSC Bangalore, and also Research Excellence Award and Dedicated Service Award from the institute where he is working. He has many experience of publishing international and national resource publication, and also he published in many chapters from many mathematical books. Here, the sir is going to guide us the aptitude skills for the students who are ready for facing the competitive exams. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your nice introduction. First of all, I thank founder of this college and principal of S.S.T College of Arts and Commerce, and all the vice principal and all the HODs of all departments and all the faculty members of the department and organizing committee members and coordinators, assistant program coordinator and coordinators, and my dear students, all of you, good afternoon too. First of all, I thank given to the opportunity for the ma'am. Now today talk about
thank you,
aptitude.
Sir. Welcome, sir.
Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today, aptitude is very essential for all the career guidance, particularly any degree holders. What next? What next means any occupied any job. Definitely, you can achieve English and aptitude. Then only you got a job. So any exams in Government of India, RRB, IBPS, CAT, GMAT, GATE, CSIR, any exams you can definitely achieve in aptitude. Then only you will get a job. So aptitude portion is very, very, very important. Then only I immediately ready to the speech in the topic aptitude. Actually, today topic is guidance of aptitude skills for competitive examinations. Actually, the aptitude skills, many other topics. For example, ratio, proportion, variation, simple and quadratic equations, percentage, profit loss, and simple and compound interest, time and work, time and distance, mensuration, geometry, permutation combination, probability, mixer allocation. So lot of variety of topics, lot of definitions, formulas, all the books, because book is a many major fault in all the states and all the countries, because lot of books only aim to very all the steps given to the book, because anybody read the problem, understand immediately. It's the major problem. Actually, the aptitude is a skill part. Aptitude is not a solving part. Aptitude is a skill part. So deal with the aptitude must be important. So now I start with the PPT in today session. Yes. So topic is guidance of aptitude skills for competitive examinations. Today's session is the first session. So first session is very basic, and all the topics are dominated by this topic. Actually, ratio, proportion, variation. What is the ratio? First of all of us strictly understand the word ratio. That is, ratio means in very 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 essential part in mathematics and all the science and arts measures, because ratio is the operator, uh, one kind of operator. That is actually the problem. Before going to problem, actually what is ratio? ratio means Ratio means a by b, if and only if. Ratio means a is to a divided by b. Ratio. What is the ratio between a and b? Then a divided by b. Actually, the using operator is two. Actually, one is to two. One is to two. Actually, one is to two means the operator name is two. Is two. One goes to two. One goes to two. Here the part one part, here twice the previous part. Actually the same as 2 is to 4, 4 is to 6, 6 is to 8, all of us same. 500 is to 1000, 1000 is to 2000, and 50 is to 100, 35 is to 70, all of us in the same ratio, 1 is to 2. So what is the common term or general term? Because the 1 is to 2 is the least form, least form mostly used in all the problems, all the working rule. Because 500 is 1000, simplify the values of 1 is to 2, simplify by 500, therefore we'll get 1 is to 2. So ratio a is to b implies a divided by b. It is must, very 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 essential part. So a is to b implies a by b, but the reverse way is not working, because 1 is to 2, here right side part is biggest, but ratio means multiple by any positive integers the same way. Actually multiple by 2 or multiple by 3 or multiple by 4, any number, same number, the ratio is equal. Because 3 is to 6, the same way in 1 is to 2. But multiple by negative number, minus 3 is minus 6, multiple by minus 3, then left side is biggest. So the ratio only for multiple by positive integers, but ratio means divided by a by b equal to, for example, 2 by 3 equal to minus 4 divided by minus 6 also is right, but the ratio is not allowed the multiple by negative numbers. It's only for reverse way is not work. So multiple by only positive integers, then only it's work. So main concept is ratio or east. Ratio means a is to b implies a by b, but a by b is not implies a is to b. It's very 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 important, because a 1 is to 2 is same as 3 is to 6, but not same as minus 3 is to minus 6, because minus 3 is the largest and minus 6 is very small comparatively minus 3. So 1 is to 2 is right side is a biggest number. Therefore the ratio is very 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 important. Ratio concept is multiple by any positive constant or positive integers, will get a same value, same ratio. But you will multiply in any negative numbers, your ratio is completely disturbed. So anytime any problem handled with handling in ratio part, only for multiple by positive integers or positive constants. Therefore all the problems handling in the session or any time, any exams, only very, very, very important thing, multiple by only positive constant or positive integers. So now goes to problem number one. Actually, the problem number one gives some data and read that and analyze and finally will work it. An amount of 540 is dividing among three members A, B, and C in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the share of B. Actually, the sharing amount of 540. So it's the total amount. Total amount for what? A and B, A, B, C, 3 persons. But the ratio in dividing the ratio A, B, C in the order is must. Also, ratio is also allowed. Also, preferably orders. So first of all, first number A, second number B, third number C, correspondingly with respect to what? A, B, C. So the 540 is the total amount for the persons A, B, and C. In the ratio 1:2:3. But the problem is the what is find the share of B. So the problem is to find the share of B. It's very, very, very essential. It is the question. So actually 1:2:3 means the amount of sharing the value of members A, B, C means any for suppose multiple by some k, 1k, 2k, 3k. Given that 1k plus 2k plus 3k equal to 540, it is given that. So the amount of 540 is dividing among 3 persons A, B, C. Ratio means multiple by any positive integers. K is very positive integers, then will work it in the same way. Therefore, 1k, 2k, 3k, sum of 1k, 2k, 3k is equal to 540. What is the share of B? We want only 2k only. Here 1k, 2k, 3k, adding the all 6k. So 6k equal to 540. Then 2k equal to only divided by 3 on both sides. So here 1 times 8 times, so 0. So share of B is 180. Share of B means 2. 2 means 2k. It is ratio form. It is amount form. It is a ratio form is mathematically. It is a real life practically. So 1k, 2k, 3k is a practically problem faced. But the ratios only for the mathematical concepts deal with the ratios. But the practical problem deals with the multiple of common numbers, common positive numbers, 1k, 2k, 3k. So total amount is 540, but we want only the share of B. Share of B is 2. It is one way. For another way, so 540 is given, it is equal to sum of 3 ratios. Sum of 3 ratios are actually 6k. But we want only share of B. So share of B equal to 2k. So then only the same method, but somebody is very shortcut. It is not a name of shortcut, but the ideology is the same. But some people it is like that, 2k divided by 6k into 540. So divided by 3 is 180. Again, same value. So whatever may be, your base idea is the mathematical ideology is a ratio, but the real ideology is 1k, 2k, 3k. Then only you will get the proper answer. The multiple by the same number, it is must. Here k, then here also k, here also k. Suppose here A, here B, here C, then the ratio is not equal to 1:2:3. So it is a must, very, very, very must. Ratio means multiple by any positive integers is the same. So the answer is 180. So answer is 180, the first problem. So we'll go to the next second problem. Second problem, actually, a certain amount was dividing among 3 persons, the same ideology, but the question is asked for the different, some difference question. PQR 3 person, certain amount will not given. Most of the exams will not given the amount. So certain amount was dividing among three person P, Q, and R in the ratio of 9 is to 12 is to 16. So, and also the given data P and Q together got 8379. Find the amount that R got. So, given data only 3% PQ are, namely in the ratio of 9, 12, 16. In one more information, P and Q together got 8379 and find the amount that are. So same way, actually two ways available. Only first way is 8379 is the total amount of P and Q. So this amount equal to P and Q. P and Q ratio is 21. Sum of P and Q. So 9 plus 12 is 21. But we want only R got. So R means 16. So 16. Here actually 9 is to 12 is to 16 means 9K is to 12K is to 16K. So therefore, here 16K, 21K, but in the ratio form, the same value cancelled by the mathematical ideology. So therefore, we write only 16 divided by 21. All the problem the same way actually. So every aptitude problem, definitely you will get cancellation very definitely cancel the any amount of given amount. So 21 cancelling 21, so 3 times, so balance 20. So 207 9 times 189 again remainder 18 189 again 399. So 16 into 399. How to find out the value? First 16 into 400, actually what 6400. One terms is less, so 16 6384. So it is the answer. It's one way actually. So another way is the same method, but people are looking for a different way. Actually 9K plus 12K equal to 8379, but we want only 16K. So here 21K equal to 8379. So cancelling 21 again 399. So 16K equal to 16 into 399. The same way. So once again the problem is consolidating. A certain amount was dividing among 3 persons P, Q, and R in the ratio of 9 is to 12 is to 16. P and Q together got 8379. Find the amount that R got. So 3% dividing the amount, but the amount not given in the problem. But the total amount of P and Q given. What's the amount? 8379 rupees. But the question find the question the amount that R got only. So R got amount 16K, but given the 21K, then only we will find the exact answer 6384. So check the answer actually. Answer is right. So 6384. So go to the next problem. So problem number 3. Actually, this type of problem is seeing the most very famous problem actually. So find the value of 4x plus 3y is to 6x plus 7y if x is to y equal to 1 is to 4. Actually, A is to B equal to C is to B. Then AD equal to BC. Actually, AD equal to BC. It's a mathematical ideology. So mathematical ideology says A is to B. Two ratios are equal, then we form AD equal to BC. So AD equal to BC, then we form A is to B equal to C is to D. So if and only if. Therefore, to find the value of 4x plus 3y equal is to 6x plus 7y. Here, given condition x is to y equal to 1 is to 4. Therefore, 4x equal to y. So 4x equal to y. Here, actually the ratios A is to B same as A divided by B. Therefore, 4x plus 3y divided by 6x plus 7y equal to, here y equal to 4x. Therefore, 4x plus 3 times 4x. So substituting the values of y in 4x. So 6x plus 7 times 4x. Therefore, here 4, here 12. So adding to, so 16x divided by 4 plus 28. So 34x. Therefore, cancelling x, we will get 16 divided by 34. Cancelling it, 8 divided by 17. So 8 divided by 17, a is to b equal implies a by b. So 8 divided by 17. Therefore, the answer is 8 is to 17. So once again, solving the problem, actually find the value of 4x plus 3y is to 6x plus 7y. If whenever if x is to y equal to 1 is to 4. So my basic idea is a is to b equal to c is to d. Then the mathematical ideology says AD equal to BC. So therefore 4x equal to, actually 4x equal to 1 into y. So 4x equal to y. Therefore 4x plus 3y divided by 6x plus 7y equal to 4x plus 3 times y divided by 6x plus 7 times 4y. Therefore 16x divided by 34x. Cancelling x and also cancelling 2, then we will get 8 by 17. Actually, the ratio is least form. No number divided by this numerator, both numerator and denominator, other than 1. It is the same least form. It is the least form. So answer is 8 is to 17. So we'll check it. Actually, the answer is 8 is to 17. So the problem is just the given condition, we'll get applying the conditions and we'll get the answer. Only a small level problem. Actually, this type of problem says in about any state in public service commission. So it's a famous problem actually. Here also asking to given two ratios. So x is to y equal to 3 is to 2 and y is to z equal to 5 is to 7. So how to find x is to y is to z? Actually, this problem actually view in the form x is to y equal to 3 is to 2. So y is to z equal to 5 is to 7. Already we know that any ratio given multiple by the same positive constant, then we'll get the same ratios. Therefore, the y here left side is common value is y. Right side, therefore the right side value must be equal. Therefore, multiple by the first ratios in 5, multiple by the second ratios in 2. That is, multiple by the first ratios is multiple by the first ratio in the number 5. Therefore, the ratios is changed to 15 is to 10. The second ratios multiple by 2 because multiple by 2 only the number y number is equal to 10. Therefore, multiple by 2, 10 is to 14. Now the number is same because left side is same. Therefore, x is to y is to z equal to 15 is to 10 is to 14. So here x, here y, here is z. So it's one way. Some people's x is to y, y is to z. Then what will get x is to y is to z? Here that is 3 into 5, 15. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 14 equal to 2 into 7, 14. So it's a shortcut. Strictly alert the some methods. It's the methods only for the numbers are relative prime only. Relative prime means GCD of 2, 5 equal to 1. Then only working this method. Actually, 3 into 5, 15. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 7, 14. It's also x is to y is to z. Only for GCD of 2, 5 equal to 1. Suppose equal to other than 1, then the method is not working properly. Therefore, anytime you will get the try to the numbers which number multiple by the two ratios in the same number, we get the same number. Therefore, X is to Y is to Z equal to 15 is to 10 is to 14. It's for the X is to Y. X is to Y means X by Y. The same meaning in mathematics. But the reverse way only for positive numbers. Cancelling positive numbers only allowed. But right side way implications, one way is no problem, but another way is very carefully cancelling only for positive constants. So the answer is second option. So now check the answer is a actually the answer is a 15 is to 10 is to 14. The option is fourth option. So 15 is to 10 is to 14. So fourth option is correct. So now goes to the fifth problem actually. So now just a slightly different in previous problem actually. A is to B and B is to C and C is to D. Actually giving the three ratios, but we want only for A is to D. Here find out X is to Y is to Z all the variables including Y. But here only for first and last variables only. Its type of problems deals with a very simple way. Actually the ideology is using the ideology is A is to be same as A is to B. Therefore, A by D, actually A by D means A is B. A by D equal to A by B into B by C into C by D. Actually B cancelled, C cancelled, then we'll get A by D. Therefore, A is to D implies A by D. Therefore, it means actually says A is to B, means actually says B is to C, it means actually says C is to D. Therefore A is to B means given by 1 is to 2, so 1 divided by 2, and another ratios is 6 by 5, and the last ratios is 2 by 3. So 1 by 2, 6 by 5, 2 by 3, all the values multiplied by given numbers will get A by D. A by D means A is to D. So cancelling actually 2 into 3, 6. So 6 cancel. So actually we'll get the answer, final answer 2 is to 5. So A is to D equal to 2 is to 5. So the answer is very simple answer, 2 is to 5. So once again, we want only first and last variable, then only working this method. Otherwise you are goes to in previous method, because the same values variables in which variable is same, then the values are also try to interchange, the values are same. Therefore, but this problem is we want only first and last values only. A is to B and B is to C and C is to D given, but only question for A is to D. Therefore, A is to D means A by D. A by D means A by B and into B by C into C by D. We get A by D is equal to 2 by 5. So the fifth problem is the answer is 2 is to 5. So the next problem. So present age problem actually. This type of problem is actually age problem. The ratio portion is not for particular topic. It's common for all topic actually. Any topic, the problem involved in ratios portion. Actually, the problem age problem also involved in ratios problems. Actually, the percentage of A is actually any problem in age, any age problem. Till to today, assume that all the exams in Government of India assumes that what means any age problem to says today only today. So that means the percentage of A is equal to B's age 10 years ago. That means the percentage of A equal to A, the percentage of B equal to B. Therefore, the first condition, percentage of A equal to B's age 10 years ago. 10 years ago means plus B minus 10. So B minus 10. That is percentage of A is equal to B's age 10 years ago. So minus 10. So given by the first condition. So first condition. Second, 4 years ago. 4 years ago means now suddenly goes to today. So 4 years hence means after 4 years. So after 4 years, the ratio of age of A and B means A plus 4 after 4 years. Because A is percentage of A, B is percentage of B. So after 4 years, A plus 4. And after 4 years, the age of B is B plus 4. The ratio is 3 is to 5. So what will be continue, conclude? Then we find out the percentage of A. That is how to find A. So two methods actually here. First of all, here B equal to A plus 10 actually. So denominator suddenly A plus 4 divided by the value of B apply by A plus 10. So A plus 14 equal to 3 by 5. So multiply by cross multiplication. So 5A plus 20 equal to 3A plus 42. So 2A plus 22 equal to 0. So A equal to, sorry, 2A equal to, actually 3A is left side and 20 is right side. So 2A equal to 22. So A equal to 11 years. So A means percentage of A. So answer is 11 years. So once again, discuss the problem. The percentage of A is equal to B's age 10 years ago. That means percentage of A is equal to B's age 10 years ago. Now the age of percentage age of B is B. Then 10 years ago means B minus 10. Now second conditions, 4 years hence. 4 years hence means after 4 years. After 4 years means after 4 years from today. After 4 years means from today. So 4 years hence the ratio of ages of A and B will be 3 is to 5. Find the percentage of A. That means A plus 4 divided by B plus 4. That is the ratio will be given 3 is to 5. That means the after 4 years. Therefore A plus 4 divided by B plus 4. Which will conclude the two conditions will get A equal to 11 years. So then only. And also the another method also discussed in same way. Actually, we want only percentage of A. Suppose how to check the answer from question. Suppose 11 years is A's percentage. Then 11 equal to 21 minus 10. Therefore, percentage of A 11, percentage of B 21. So suddenly the check the second condition. 4 years hence. 4 years hence, A the ages of A is 15. After 4 years, the ages of B is 25. The ratio will be cancelling by 3. 3 is to 5. Therefore, the second condition is satisfied. Therefore, the option 1 is right answer. So it's another method. Suppose you are very lucky, then the answer is first option. It's very unlucky. The option is maybe fifth option or fourth option. So anytime you will get the face to any ideology. So but the option given by cannot be determined, then definitely not proceed by answer to the option 2 question. Only for not given by cannot be determined option, then only problem to solution or option to problems, your choice. So next problem goes to next. Actually, to check the answer, the option is first option is right. So problem number 7. Actually, the problem says 8 years hence. After 8 years, actually the problem says today. So 8 years hence means after 8 years from today. So 8 years hence, the ratio of ages of Saurav and his son. So two persons involving this problem, actually Saurav and his son. I notated Saurav is F and notated his son is S. So father, son. Then only the notation is of F and S. F means percentage of sorrow. S means percentage of sun. Now the condition is 8 years hence the ratio of ages of sorrow and his sun will be 25:12. That is 8 years hence. So F plus 8 divided by S plus 8 equal to 25. After 8 years or 8 years hence. So the ages of Sauro and his son is 25:12. And one more condition is given by the problem. 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Sauro and his son was 18:5. What is the percentage of Sauro's son? Actually, the problem say problem how to find the ages of sun. So first condition is already written. Second condition, 6 years ago. 6 years ago means Sauros and his son's ages in the ratio 18:5. That is F minus 6 divided by S minus 6 equal to 18 divided by 5. So it is a second ratio, the second condition. Simplifying the two conditions and solve them, immediately get the answer. It's one method. Another method is also very easy, but very carefully. Here applying cross multiplication. So 12f plus 96 equal to 25f s plus 200. That is 12f minus 25s equal to 104. It's the first equation from first condition. Second conditions, actually 5f minus 30 equal to 18s minus 108. So simplifying that, 5f minus 18s equal to minus 78. So solving these two, find the value of s. How to find? Cancelling the value of f. That is multiply by 5 and multiply by 12. So multiply by 5 the 60f and multiply by 12 60f also. Will get the answer from these two conditions. Now multiply the first equation in 5, then minus 125s equal to 520, and multiply by 12 in the second equation. So here 60, here 60 also, so cancelling. And here now 12 into 18 actually. 12 into 18, so 180 plus 36, so 216. So minus 216 s equal to here minus 78 into 12, minus 78 into 12. So minus 780 into 2 times, so 156. So 6, 3, 9. So minus 936. So subtracting these two values, so plus. So here, so 125, here 216. So the answer is 91. Yes, equal to here 6, 5, 14. So actually the 91s equal to 1456. So actually the few common people guess 16 years maybe, because multiply which number ending with the 6, then only we'll get to 1456. Therefore s equal to 1456 actually says. So therefore the number, the s is equal to 16. Maybe the cancelling by 91, so 1 times remaining 54. So 546 definitely 16 times, because 5 times 455, 6 times 546. So it's the logic. So 16 years. It's the first method. Second method is very simplest method. So listen carefully. Also working carefully. 8 years hence the ratio of the ages of Sauro and his son will be 25:12. And 6 years ago, the ratio of ages of Sauro and his son was 18:5. What is the percentage of Sauro and Sauro's son? Means 16 years, 18 years, 20 years, 22 years, none of this. Here says percentage of Sauro sun. Percentage of Sauro sun, here which option is correct? Suppose the first option is checking the first option, then SC equal to 16 percentage. First condition, 8 years hence, 8 years hence, the ages of Sauro is 24. 24 is equal to 12 means multiple by 12. Therefore, multiple by 12 in the front number. So, front number is 50. So, father age 50, son age 24 after 8 years. After 8 years. So, now, after 8 years is 50, then present age of father 42. Just checking. And suppose second condition is also is satisfying these values, then definitely consolidate the first option is right. Now checking the second option. 6 years ago, 6 years ago father age is 36, 6 years ago son's age is 10. Then the ratio is two numbers is cancelling by 2, 18 is to 5. So it's also here. Therefore the first option is right. One more option is verify, because it's a wrong answer. How to check? Suppose S equal to 18, 12 multiplied by any constant, any integer, we will get 18. But no integer in multiple of 12 will get the 18. So it's wrong option. And also 12 to 20 and also 22. So multiple by any integer, past integers, then only we proceed the ratio concepts. So which number multiple by 12 will get the answer is 16. Percentage means 16. So sorry, 24, because the ages of after 8 years. After 8 years is 24. After 8 years 24 means, so percentage 18. So after 8 years 26. But 26 not equal to 12 times any integer, past integer. Therefore it is not the answer. And also 26 not equal to 20k, any positive integer. And also 22 equal to not equal to 20k for any positive integers. Therefore we consolidate 16 years. But this way is checking all the two conditions, then only it's right. So it's very important problem actually. A lot of exams says that is this type of problems actually. So goes to the next problem. Next problem is very simplest of problems actually. The problem says the ratio of two numbers is 3:4 actually. The ratio of two numbers is 3:4. So the ratio of two is number is 3:4. Next condition, 12 is added in each of the two numbers. So first of all, 80 is ratio given by the problem, but original number in the form of 3k is to 4k multiplied by the same integer, past integer. So 12 is added to each of the two numbers. The ratio becomes 5:6. So two-way solving this type of problem. So one way is
It was the good session that SR was stuck up with the signal problem. He will be joining in few minutes. Till that you can revise the problem what sir has been discussed with you. Sir will
number is 3k, will and then and adding the 5:6. Now suddenly find the value of k, but
hello. Hello. Yes, there is some internet issue. Sir is available in 2 minutes.
okay ma'am. Now it's
Yes,
audible
sir.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes ma'am. Okay ma'am.
You can continue, sir.
Okay ma'am. Right. Given that the ratio of two numbers is 3:4, And also given by one more condition is 12 is added to each of the two numbers. But the question is sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers, actually this ratio of two numbers. But the original number in the form of 3k is to 4k. Sum of two numbers is 7k. Therefore, we find k, after that 7k. So I'm applying cross multiplication. So 18k plus 72 equal to 20k plus 60. So 18k goes to right side, we'll get 2k. Actually, just a piece. 2k equal to 12. So 2k equal to 12 means k equal to 6. K equal to 6 means 7k equal to 42 because sum of two numbers is 7k. 3k plus 4k is 7k. So 7k equal to 42. It's one way actually. The another way is, suppose sum of two numbers is 32. Sum of number actually 7k. 3k plus 4k. But 7k, any integer multiplied by 7 not equal to 32. Therefore, it is definitely not the answer. Second, sum of two numbers is 7k is not equal to 52k by any integer multiplied by 7 not equal to 52. And also is therefore 52 is also not answer. So third option 66 is not equal to 7k for every integer, past integer. Therefore, only possibility is second option or fifth option. It's very powerful option because any question mistaken by typing or author or any other committees, it will work very strongly. Because suppose your problem is wrong, then you are choose none of these or cannot be determined. So cannot be determined means this problem is wrong. None of these means the answer is not here. Only the difference between cannot be determined and none of this. So the problem, once again discuss the problem. The ratio of two numbers is 3 is to 4. If 12 is added to each of two numbers, the ratio becomes 5 is to 6. What is the sum of two numbers? So the two numbers in the form 3k, 4k. So sum of two numbers means 7k. So 7k equal to what? So 7k is not equal to 32 because k is past integer. So 7k may be 42 because k we can choose k equal to 6 past integer. So now we check. So k is 6, then 18 is 24. These two numbers 12, adding the two numbers 30, 36. Divided by 5, divided by 6, then we get 5 is to 6. So we'll go to the next problem actually. So it is very interesting problem. The income of A and B. So two persons A and B. The ratio of income of A and B is 7 is to 2. Actually, it is ratio. The original values are original income in the form of 7k, 9k. So the income of A and B in the form 7k, 9k. Their expenditure in the ratio, expenditure some other variable, some L, 3L, 5L. In savings, the same amount and A and B. What will the sum of income of K? So only we want the ratio in the part 7 part. Actually, or 7k. So we want only 7k. Which number multiplied by 7 will get this option? Actually, 2700 not equal to 7k for any integer, positive integer. So 2700 not equal to 7k for every integer, for every positive integer. And 2100 equal to 7k. Yes, the k is 700. So 700 not means 300. So 7 times 300 equal to 2100. Here k is strictly positive integers. So it is also maybe answer, but checking the all the conditions. So k equal to 300, then 7k is 2100, 9k is 2700. So saving actually income minus savings equal to expenditure. This is the basic formula for school studies. It is also used in any biggest job entering the entrance examinations. So income minus expenditure, income, difference between income and uh, savings equal to expenditure. So savings the same value 1200. So also here 2200. So subtracting from these values 900, here 1500. It is the ratio of 3 is to 5. Then the answer is right. So it is the expenditure of the two persons A and B. Here 900, 1500. Cancelling 300, 3 is to 5. Therefore, the answer is 2100 is right. So one more time is explaining this problem. Given that the income of A and B are in the ratio 7 is to 9. Income of A and B is the ratio 7 is to 9. Then 7k, 9k is the income of A and B. It is ratio, it is income. And expenditure is 3L, 5L. But it is only for checking rule. But the saving amount is same A and B. So A is also saving 1200, B is also saving 1200. Now, what is the income of A? Income of A means 7k. 7k means 7 times positive integer. So which number 7 times positive integer? Only possible option 2. It is not equal to 7k. It is not equal to 7k. It is not equal to 7k. For every k belongs to natural number, any positive integers, it is then only we choose the exact answer is the second option. So we go to the start of the next problem. Now the terms slightly is different. First 9 problems only consider the ratio, and now the proportion. So this type of problems involved in proportion. Now P varies directly in same of Q when R is constant. So here playing 3 variable P, Q, R. R is constant, means rest. P and Q directly same. That is P directly proportional to Q. R is constant. And inversely with R when Q is constant. That is P inversely with R whenever Q is constant. Whenever R is constant. Consolidate given two proportion will get P proportional to Q divided by R. P directly proportional to Q and P inversely proportional to R. In the school studies, the proportional converted to equal to and multiple by any some constant. So P equal to some k times Q by R. It is if and only if. So then now check the conditions. When Q equal to 6 and R equal to 3, then P equal to 24. Now P equal to 24 equal to K equal to 6 and R equal to 3. Implies 2K equal to 24, K equal to 12. So P equal to 12 times Q by R. So applying the value of Q in previous equation. Now, what the value of P? So P 12 times the value of Q is 8 and the value of R is 4. So cancelling these two, 2 into 12 equal to 24. So P equal to 24. The answer is 24. So it's the problem involving only for proportion. So proportion means P is directly proportional to Q and inversely proportional to R. Whenever the first condition is R is constant and second condition is Q is constant. Given condition Q equal to 6 and whenever we apply Q equal to 6 and R equal to 3, we'll get P equal to 24. And also find P when Q equal to 8 and R equal to, first of all, P directly proportional to Q and P directly proportional to R. Consolidate these two proportion. P proportional to directly proportional to Q and inversely proportional to R. Converting proportional to equation, then multiplying by the positive constant. So multiply by the constant. Now applying the first condition, we'll get the value of K, and applying the K values in previous equation, then we'll get the final answer. So P equal to 24. So the answer, verify the answer. So answer is 24. Next problem is, actually the next problem, the ratio of two positive integer is 7 is to 5. Actually two numbers 7 is to 5. The difference numbers in the ratio is 7 is to 5. Then the number of the form 7k 5k. The difference is 12. The difference means 2k. 2k equal to 12. What is the sum of two numbers? Sum means 12k. So 2k equal to 12. Then 12k equal to multiply by 6 on both sides. So 12k equal to 72. The immediate answer. So actually given by two positive integers in the ratio 7 is to 5. It's ratio, but the number in the form 7k 5k. K is any positive integer. Given condition, their difference is 12. Their difference is 2k equal to 12. Asking to sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers means here 12k. So 2k equal to 12. Then what the value of 12k? So multiply by 6 on both sides. We get 12k equal to 72. It is the sum of two numbers 72. Now check the option. So 72 actually. So answer is 72. So in the problem number 11. Now focusing on the problem number 12. In this type of problem, equal to three type of form. Then a by b, b by 4, 4c by 5 are all are same. Then what the value of here? So a by 3, b by 4, 4c by 5 equal to some k. Therefore a equal to 3k, b equal to 4k, c equal to 5k divided by 4. So applying the values in above problem. So 4 times 3k plus 2 times 4k plus 8 times 5k divided by 4 whole divided by 5 times 3k. Here cancelling 4. So it is 12, it is 8, it is 10. So 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 divided by 15. Here also okay, here also okay. So answer is 2 is to 2 divided by 1. So answer is 2. So given that three form of the terms is equal, so we assume that the values of the each term equal to k. Then equating the each term, actually a by 3 equal to k, and b by 4 equal to k, and 4c by equal to 4c by 5 equal to k. So a equal to 3k, b equal to 4k, c equal to 5k by 4. Now applying put the values in the asked problems. 4a plus 2b plus 8c divided by 5a. We'll get the answer is 2. So answer is 2. Right. Find the fourth proportion of the number. Actually given three numbers. Find out the fourth proportion. Actually the form is a comma b comma c comma d are in proportional. Then a by b equal to c by d. It is mathematical ideology. Four given four terms are in the proportional. Then what will be conclude that a by b equal to c by d. Therefore given three numbers and the fourth number is just k. So 12 by k equal to 9 by k. So cancelling 4 and k equal to 3. Actually 3 cancelled by 3 on both sides, we get k equal to 3. So answer is 3. So it is ideology. A, B, C and D. Four numbers are in proportional. Then conclude that a by b equal to c by d. So k equal to 3. And next problem, if x is subtracted from 13, 17, 25, three numbers formed by the continuous proportion. Continuous proportion means a, b, c, three numbers are in continuous proportion. Then a by b equal to b by c. It is means continued proportion. Now the problem is which number subtracted from these numbers, these number formed by continued proportion. First, subtracting 9 from these numbers, then what will get 4 and 8 and 16. So 4 by 8 equal 8 by 16. It is equal, then 9 is answer. So actually 1 by 2, actually here also 1 by 2. Therefore is 9 is answer. Suppose one more option is checked. Suppose 8 is subtracted from these. 13 minus 8 equal to 5. 17 minus 8 equal to 9. 25 minus 8 equal to 70. But 5 by 9 not equal to 9 by 70. Because it is 81, it is 85. So not equal to. Therefore, the answer is 9. A, B, C, three terms in continued proportion. Then A by B equal to B by C. So the fourth problem is also very easy. The fifth problem is very practical problem. In a company, the ratio of the number of male employees to the number of female employees is 3:2. So male and female is 3:2. The ratio of number of skilled male employees, so male, female. So only male, skilled employees and unskilled employees 8:7. So skilled, unskilled. So 8:7. The number of unskilled male employees 35. So it is actually the 7 equal to 35. Number of female employees in the company. Actually, how to find F? Now 8K, 7K is skilled employees in male employees and unskilled male employees. 7K equal to 7K equal to 35. So K equal to 5. Put the value in skilled male employee. So 40. So total male employee is 35 plus 40, 75. So 75 is only for exactly for male employee. But the ratio between male employee and female employee is given by 3:2. So it is 3. That means divided by 25. Therefore, and given that female employee is 2. Therefore, multiplied by 25 is 50. It is the female employee. So male and female given that 3:2, and only for male skilled male employee and unskilled employee 8K and 7K. So here is 7K equal to 35. Therefore, K equal to 5. So 8K equal to 40. 8K equal to 40, 7K equal to 35. Therefore, male employee is 75. Male employee in the ratio form 3. Therefore, 2 equal to 50. So female employee is 50. So check the answer actually. So the answer is fourth option, 50. So thank you so much for the given the opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you. This was the very interesting session. The basic idea of ratio and proportion you have explained. Students who are watching, you can practice, and it was available. The link is the link is available in YouTube. You can practice it after again seeing the video also. So this was the night session, sir. Tomorrow the second part of this session is continue at the same time of 2:30 p.m. afternoon. The feedback link will be provided after the session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.